Hello friends, welcome. So today we are solving the problem of Godot 4.4 that occurs while exporting our project to Android. So the problem that occurs is the Keystore problem. It says could not find Keystore and unable to export. So let's solve this problem. Okay, for that let's go to editor menu and go on editor settings and search for Android. Click on the Android, and here you can see the field Java SDK path empty. So if you haven't filled it out, let's fill it. For that we have to go to command prompt, type cmd and open the command prompt, and here you type where Java C. This will find out the path for Java C. So let's copy this path first, and make sure you copy only up to the hotspot. And next let's close this command prompt and paste the path here in the Java SDK path. Next take a look at the debug Keystore user username. So that is Android debug key, that's the username, and another one is the password. Debug Keystore password is Android. If you hover over to the password, then it will show the Android text. So if you have taken the note of the debug Keystore user and debug Keystore pass, then let's close it and go to project and export. Next we can click on add and click on Android, and there is a small issue there, and we can fix it by clicking fix import. And after that we scroll downwards, and there is the Keystore fields, and let's write the username and password there. The debug user is username that we remembered last time. It's Android debug key. Let's type it. Next the password is Android. I similarly do for the release also. The release user will be same, Android debug key, and then the password will be Android. And now we want the Keystore path. For that let's close the current window right now, and go back to the editor menu, editor settings, and in the Android there is the debug Keystore path. Let's copy this whole path, copy it, close it, and we go back to the project and export, and back here in the Keystore. So in the debug field let's paste our path that we just copied. Next let's click on the icon in the right here, and just click in the debug Keystore and open. Next we do the same thing in the release also, paste the path, open, and open the debug key, and that's it. And let's hit the export. Next we can modify the file name of our APK, and even select which folder we want to save our APK, and then after that we can click on the save, and it will start exporting. So our project is exporting for Android, adding files, signing in, debug APK, verifying APK, and done.